Hi guys, welcome back to the barn. So that's the mains into the workshop. I have it on this socket from the house, so I can exchange this plug between that and the apiary. That's the only thing that's coming in that direction, so I can now continue the boarding up to the top. I'm glad that's done though, because I can get the diesel heater back on. With no electric, my hands are absolutely freezing. It is so cold today. Get that insulated, get them boards on. Diesel heater's just kicking in. Right, let's crack on, because it's too cold to stand around. Okay, I've got more insulation in here than the house has. So most of this is doubled up. So I've got 150mm of quite high performing stone mineral wool. There's just a couple of variances in the width of the boards. Literally a millimetre, but it just means there's a little gap grins, which is quite annoying. Not a bad afternoon. Got the mains in behind the consumer unit panel, got the tails in for the solar. This wall now fully insulated, and I've got, what, 3 layers on. So tomorrow, I think I just need 2 more layers. 11 inch, 9 inch. So tomorrow I just need another 2 layers to finish it, but I've got them sloping cuts on. So I'm going to call that it for tonight. I'll see you in the morning. Okay, the wall is done. Hey! So the next time I get the thickness planer out, I'll plane some of this parquet floor out, make some architraves for this consumer unit board, and also make a neat clapperboard pattress around them cables. With the cables coming through there, it just gives me another few meters of cabling, so I can just pull that panel out into the sunlight. I've got 16% battery today. That's more than I've had for about 2 months, just because the trees on this side of the garden are shading the panel, and I can't do anything about them because they're not my trees. Really happy that the wall's done. It's actually made the workshop feel bigger. I don't know how it looks on camera, but it certainly feels bigger and it feels higher. So in the next video, I need to pull these cables through, wire the lights up, wire the sockets up whilst I can still get cable runs above the ceiling easily, then I'm not working through little manholes. And I'm going to make some bracket to hang the A3 up here, so all the electrics are up there out of the way. Then I can start to close the ceiling in. Then it will start to feel warm in here. It's absolutely freezing this week, and I know it is elsewhere as well, but tonight's temperature is -6, so it is really cold, even with a diesel heater on. But I've still got holes above the ceiling there. I've got a huge hole over there, need to sort that. And of course there's no door there. So once I get all them done, I'm going to have to think about making a door for that opening, and then the entire workshop will be enclosed. So I'm happy how this looks. I like the little panel over my shoulder. I think the cabling, as long as I do a neat job with the cabling, it'll look nice in there. And that's it for this video. I shall catch you on the next one, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.